how to manage email preferences on IMDb on PC. Hello guys. So all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just follow with me until the end, please. First thing, go here in the top, click on your name, click on account settings, and go here, click on email preferences. And here you will find your IMDb informational emails. You can choose that if you want them to send you emails from the following categories. You can enable or disable any notifications you want here. As you can see, the IMDb subscription emails and newsletters, many other options. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.